Hello Glamazons, it's me, and I am holding the camera with one hand because I want to show you guys this stuff close up, so I'm not using the mount. So this is going to be jewelry from AliExpress, and let's just get started. And I'm going to be honest about the quality. Some of it was really good, so check this out. This is a one-piece multi-layered necklace. So the shortest one is this cross here. Then this medallion with the Roman looking guy on it. And then a bigger medallion with the Roman looking guy on it. Gold tone. All of the jewelry that I'm going to try to quickly show you is costume jewelry. I will try to spray some of this with a Krylon. Each piece was relatively inexpensive, and this one in particular was great quality. So this one was a good one. Not everything was good. I had some things come broken. This, for example, I did not order these. The seller sent me the wrong earring. So these actually ended up being free. And you can see the post is bent a little bit on those. But yeah, these ended up being free because I got a refund because I did not order these. But they're nice, I guess, for free. They're pretty. So yeah, like, let me see. For example, I just want to test out some AliExpress stuff, and I will give you guys a modeling video. So, like, for example, this one here was a fail. I noticed on AliExpress they Photoshop a lot of stuff. So this looked like a glamorous choker. And then when I got it, it's literally just fabric with chunks of glitter on it, and it's super cheap and crappy. But I figured, you know, on each item I'm spending a couple cents. I think this was like 40 cents free shipping. So of course it looked nothing like the picture. The picture was totally photoshopped, and I got what I paid for, but that's okay. If you watched the video I just uploaded, I said I was gonna just take $100+, go on AliExpress, buy some stuff, and see what happens. So not everything was good, and that's okay, but surprisingly a majority of it was good. So I'm shocked, and I have some more stuff coming because I was impressed with some of the quality. And this stuff I will be traveling with. This right here is a little CZ on an invisible kind of like stretchy fish wire. So this I literally paid like 35 cents for, and it's cute. I mean, is it the best quality? No, but it's cute for 35 cents. So if you ladies are on a budget, check out AliExpress. So here's a cowrie shell earring with a matte gold tone finish. So I ordered these. You know, these are designs that are trendy and that I would not spend a lot for. So I'm pretty pleased. These are actually really nice quality, and those are real shells, which I hope you guys can see. Those are real shells. I will try to link some stuff below. You know what, guys? Sometimes these stores sell out. Sometimes the prices change, so I can't control that. But if I can link something below, I will link it. I bought these cowrie shell earrings, which I thought were really, really cute. I got them for less than $2, and the quality is not too bad, like better than I was expecting. So there's that. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. This ring I got for 70 cents. Yes, 70. And it's actually stainless steel with glass. And again, not bad for 70 cents. I was actually quite surprised. The rings on AliExpress are not that great. Like, I'll just be honest. So I haven't bought any more rings after these. My hair is in this one, sorry. I took this one on a business trip with me. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I think I paid like $1.30 or something like this. Something like that. Of course, this camera is not wanting to focus. Okay, but yeah, it's not bad quality. Excuse my hair. It's okay. I mean, it was better than I thought it was gonna be, put it that way. This one, which looks like a piece of cut glass, but again, for $2, it's actually quite heavy. So, not bad. Now, another really good buy were these beautiful earrings right here. Look at those. These were less than $1, and I was shocked when I got these because the color is spot on for 18 karat gold, and they're really nice quality. I've worn these and I've gotten so many compliments on these. So these were a really, really good buy, and now I want to go back for the matching pieces. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen these. These are really, really long faux pearl earrings. These were also less than $2 on AliExpress, and the quality is not too shabby, and they're not heavy on the ears, so these were a good buy. Now I got these off of AliExpress, and while they're beautiful, they are beautiful and exactly as pictured, but they are way too heavy. Way too heavy. Like, this is solid. So these were kind of a womp, you know. Like, they're very heavy, but they're good quality. They really are. I just tried one on and I'm like, nope. So we'll see. These are the type of earrings you put on for a picture and you take them right off. I got these see-through hoops off of AliExpress. Everything's from AliExpress, duh, but these were a winner. They're nice and light, and they're very trendy and cute, so that was a winner. I bought a watch. I seriously bought a watch off of AliExpress, so, I mean, it's lightweight, it feels cheap, but you know what? I thought it was just kind of cute. Like, it's really retro looking, like old school 80s, so I just thought it was cute. I think I paid like $6 for it or something, so it's cute. I mean, it's not, I don't expect it to really last beyond the summer, but it's really cute. These were another winner. Very nice. I was impressed by the quality. The coin jewelry is big, and AliExpress is a place to go if you want to explore the trend. I was also impressed by these cute little earrings. So they're gold tone with little flowers, little actual dried flowers in there. So obviously I have both earrings, and those were super cute. I think they were like 60 cents or $1.65 or something. I was really impressed with those. I bought some more coin earrings. Again, I've been on like a coin kick, and I'm not going to spend a lot of money for this look, so I'm kind of glad I went to AliExpress. This is definitely going to have to be like a 2-part video because I have so much jewelry, and I actually have more coming. I have more hair accessories coming, and I have more jewelry coming because I was so impressed. And your money just goes such a long way. Now, I ordered these. I just basically ordered all my trendy summer jewelry, and I've been wearing some of this stuff too. So if I can get this to untangle, these are another pair. I was pleasantly surprised. They're nice and heavy, but not too heavy, and they're just really good quality. Like, I was shocked. So I got those long seashell earrings there. Those were a good find. These were also really good. Again, more coins. I just thought they were so pretty. And they're not too heavy. So those were a good find. These, I was surprised, because I'm sure I paid like 50 cents or something for these. But they are lightweight gold tone. I think I'm going to go back for the silver tone. Earrings. Very nice. Pleasantly surprised there. I mean, they're just good quality, and they're not too heavy. So I was pleasantly surprised there. I got these vintage lion's head ones, which I have not even taken them out the pack. But again, not too shabby. These were pretty, and they were less than $1, but they're really, really big and heavy. So I don't know. I mean, sometimes, again, the thing with AliExpress I found is sometimes the pictures are deceiving. Either the pictures are heavily photoshopped or items are much bigger or much smaller than they appear. I thought these were going to be small. They're huge. Great quality, but a little heavy for me. Okay, so here I ordered a bunch of like those little midi ring sets. I would not really recommend most of these. There was one rose gold set which is mixed in here that actually turned out to be quite pretty, but you know, something like this was part of the rose gold set right here. Which it looks great in pictures, but they're crappy quality. You know, these are gonna turn, they're not gonna last. You know, they're only cute from like a distance or like in photos. But for each set, I paid like under $2 for it, so it's no big deal. So they're okay. Like, they're nice for like one night or like a party, or like, you know, if you're just taking like pictures. Like, I like the way this one looks on my thumb, but you know, they don't look real and they're not gonna last forever. I'm not even gonna spray them, but you know, they're okay, but I don't really recommend the ring sets. I find that those are photoshopped the most. I got some stainless steel bracelets off of AliExpress. They do not say Tiffany & Co., so don't somebody say, oh, you're buying fakes. No, they do not say Tiffany's. I am not buying fakes. But these were just cute. Here's a rose gold one. I wanted something to layer with my watch. So cute. You know what? I'm gonna end it here, and I'm gonna show you the rest in a separate video. Later, Glamazons.